How to fix 5G is missing on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix if 5G is missing on your iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if 5G is missing on your iPhone, the 5G does not come from your iPhone. iPhone does support 5G. So that thing you have to understand. You have to make sure that the carrier or the SIM card that you are using, that they provide you 5G network. If they don't provide you 5G, you will not be able to get 5G. So that's the thing you have to understand. So for this, to enable and check whether you have 5G or not, you can open up settings, go to the option called cellular over here, and once you go to cellular, you can select your primary SIM card that you have added, and under the SIM card here you can see voice and data. It's set to LTE. LTE means 4G. So you want to tap on it, and here you can see 5G auto and 5G on. Depending upon whichever else you prefer, you can select 5G. You can also turn on VoLTE if you'd like that. Now you have successfully enabled 5G. Next time, whenever you actually turn on your cellular data, you'll have 5G enabled instead of the LTE. So that's the thing you want to keep in mind. But as I said, it really depends upon the network that you're using. It's not up to iOS or iPhone to help you solve that thing. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.